Hi.
Mommy,
Peyton,
Mommy.
Santa was at your house. You want to come and see what Santa brought you? Let's go see. Come on.
Ready to get down?
Come on.
Bring Horsey.
Come.
Bring Horsey. Let's see what Santa brought Peyton.
Here, Peyton.
There's your Horsey. Uh-oh. Let's go see. Did Santa bring you a surprise? In here. Let's see. Oh. Is there prizes from Santa? Oh, boy.
What'd you get?
Look at what you got from Santa.
Mommy.
Is that Papa? Look at what Santa brought for you.
Turn around.
Look at.
Look over there.
Look, Peyton.
Merry Christmas.
Yay.
Look at.
Look at what you got.
Wow.
Look at the horse.
What is all that? Is that for you?
That's from Santa Claus. Oh, goodies for Peyton.
Here's a card for you, Dorothy. Peyton, look at what is that? Did you get a Cinderella?
Look at the fire.
Oh yeah.
That's what
Look at.
you like take the center out.
Good morning.
Peyton, look at.
Fit it to slip down in there. And then
She's so
put it
tired.
in there and then
So you just cook it and then take it out and put the stuffing in it to make it pretty.
Merry Christmas, Dave.
Merry Christmas to you as well.
Here, Peyton. Look at.
If you read
Peyton.
the directions, there's a comma. Place meat, comma.
Where?
On your menu,
Who's that?
directions.
That's
Place
Baba.
meat,
Is that?
comma,
But this is
rib
Peyton.
bone, rib bone up.
Peyton.
So you cook the whole thing.
You want your stocking? This is all for Peyton from Santa.
That's what it would be. You would take, you would,
Yeah. Oh, look at. There's a Tinkerbell.
that thing could not wait, even with mowing around.
There's Cinderella.
That's a honking.
That's all for Peyton.
Yeah.
It's huge.
You got a
can
doggy?
You can take it out because they formed the rib around it.
Yeah.
Well, you wouldn't take it out until it's done, though. You put
Can you say Merry Christmas?
Peyton.
Is she looking at the television?
She's looking at the fireplace. That's fine. Leave it on. Peyton, you say Merry Christmas?
She's like, she gets mesmerized.
I told Lisa she's not even awake yet. You know what? When I saw the picture, where did I see the picture?